Junior Khanye uthi Pitso Mosimane akanike umsebenzi available lapha kwe-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba bese confirmile-ke Kaizer Motaung Junior ukuthi amakhosi azoba nomqeqeshi omusha lesizini ezayo. So Junior Khanye uthi bangabe besalinda-ke ukuthi kuphele yona-ke isizini bamnike manje khona ezokwazi ukuthi aqale asebenze yabo, into ezokwazi nokuthi ayobukela ama-games aselect nama-players azowadinga yabo, nama-players angeke awadingi. So ukuthi abaqale-ke manje bangalindi ukuthi kuze kuphele isizini ngoba bethi bezowenza, because mengikhumbula kahle kuphuma isitori esikhishwa i-Diski Times, hhayi i-Diski Times ka-Soccer Zone, SABC Sport. Lapha ku-Soccer Zone bathi i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs ethi ngeke-ke yabo ibadedele abadlali bengakabi naye i-permanent coach. So kushuthi balinde u-coach ukuthi enze wona-ke ama-decisions in terms of which players they have to keep and which players they have to release.